Standard key duplication by 2M to 10 key cutting machine. Enter universal key duplicate. And look for the standard key. Install the original key on the clamp, depending on guiding picture. Identify the original key beadings. The probe has to find the key position. The next is to find the key beadings. The machine is calculating the beadings. Just a few seconds. It will show you the shape of the key. Install the key blank on the clamp. If you click cut, this step is that the machine is finding the position of the key before cutting. Machine will remind, please remove the probe. Please follow the guiding picture. Click OK and start to cut the key. Compare original key and cutting key. Perfect cutting.